are going to love the 2017 Chevrolet Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, backup camera, power passenger seat, remote engine start, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control, premium sound system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.